I want to address the disunity among the Nuer community that has caused suffering, confusion, and political weakness. And today we ask, can we find a way to unite? Uh, my message is very clear, and it is about the reality of disunity within our Nuer community. Well, for many years, our community has faced challenges internally and externally. Some of our leaders argue among themselves, others focus on personal gain instead of the people. This disunity has allowed our community to be attacked, ignored, and or politically silenced, whether in politics, local administration, or even humanitarian matters. Nuer voices are often weakened because we are divided. Many young people feel frustrated. They see leaders fighting each other while the community suffer. They see the Nuer targeted in conflict, yet some argue instead of standing together. And here, disunity affects the Nuer in many ways. Politically, it reduces our influence in election and national decision. Socially, family dispute and local rivalries grow, creating mistrust. Economically, development project and aid do not reach the areas that need them most. For example, when leaders fail to present a united voice in government or negotiation, others take advantage of our division. Our people suffer from lack of services, lack of protection, and continued marginalization. Unity is not just about agreeing with everyone. It is about standing together with it when it matters the most. A united Nuer community can protect itself from external attack, can influence decision in many areas. It can also ensure that our youth, women, and elder are represented fairly. It can also support development and peace in our areas. Without unity, our strength is divided, and a divided community can be easily manipulated or targeted. So what can we do as a community? Unity starts with the communication, respect, and forgiveness. Here there are some way that we can follow. Number one, listen to each other. Leader and community members must discuss differences without anger. Second, focus on shared goal. Our goal is a safe, strong, and respected Nuer community. Everything else comes second. Third, reject tribal politics. Don't allow anyone to use your division or to use our division for personal or political gain. Fourth, educate the youth. Teach young Nuer about our history, struggles, and the importance of solidarity. We must remember the enemy of the Nuer is not the Nuer. The enemy is one who tried to divide us. The enemy is the Nuer who betrayed his brother or her brother. So we can call that person an enemy of the Nuer. An enemy is someone who do not allow the Nuer society to progress, who do not support the peace, unity, and development within the Nuer community. To every Nuer across South Sudan and the world, let us unite around common goal. Let us stand with our leader, but also hold them accountable. Let us protect our people, our culture, and our future. If we remain divided, we weaken ourselves and give others the power to decide our future for us. If we united, no force, political, military, or economic can ignore the strength of the Nuer community. Unity is possible if every Nuer commit to peace, dialogue, and solidarity. It starts with one voice, one heart, and then one community.